Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Sassy Pants, and today I'm going to do a review of this cash register thing that my little brother got. So it comes with 5 different foods, and I could only find 3 of them because my brother has more than around the house. So it comes with an apple, a carrots, grapes, cheese, and broccoli, which I could not find. And then it comes with this cute little cash register. The little thing does not come apart, and the button on the top does not work. But when you scan the item, it will work. It will light up. So it has all the different numbers, 1 through 9, and you can put the coin. Oh, it also has coins, 1 for carrots, 1 for the apple, 1 for the grapes, 1 for the cheese, and then there's 1 for the broccoli, which I could not find. It comes with this cute little credit card. I like that. It's pink. Has little numbers on the side. Yeah. So I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to see what it does.
Hello, how are you? Are you ready to play? Let's play. Please slide a food item through my scanner, or press a button.
Kids, I just went shopping, and I got all of these, and then so I'm just going to scan them now.
1 coin. 2 coins. 3 coins.
So when you scan it, there's this little blue thingy right there, and the different foods have different sized holes. See? That one. This one has a bigger hole. This one has a smaller hole. This one has kind of a medium hole. They all have different sized holes. And when the different sized holes hit this, it can figure out what it is because of the different sized holes. I really wish that they made this so that you could take it off and scan the food and put it back on.
Hello, how are you? Are you 9? Can I go shopping with my shopping cart?
Sure.
I'll go get it.
This little cash register was loads of fun. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as I had playing with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That was fun. Let's play again real soon. Bye-bye.
I just...
Why?